The Mercedes-Benz Quantum Tourer 2048 stands as a revolution in motion, a self-aware travel pod that transcends the boundaries of time, distance, and perception. Designed around the groundbreaking concept of quantum navigation, it allows travelers to move between cities with zero delay, dissolving the limitations of traditional transport. The Tourer doesn't just transport people, it synchronizes with their consciousness, adapting to mood, emotion, and purpose in real time. Every journey becomes a dialogue between human intuition and artificial intelligence, merging Mercedes-Benz's legendary craftsmanship with the evolution of self-aware technology. The result is not merely speed or comfort, it's a new dimension of existence, where travel feels like thought and distance becomes obsolete. It is a living companion on the road of tomorrow, whispering intelligence through silence and turning every destination into an instant experience. In an age where time is humanity's most precious resource, the Quantum Tourer 2048 redefines the very nature of travel. It is the culmination of decades of innovation combining quantum state transportation, neural interface design, and empathetic AI into one seamless creation. Built for a world where cities are linked through the quantum transit grid, it enables effortless movement across continents without delay, noise, or pollution. The system reads not just your destination, but your intention, allowing the pod to navigate through layers of quantum energy based on your thought patterns and emotional states. The Tourer understands tone, fatigue, and curiosity, reshaping its behavior to align with its passenger. Mercedes-Benz, ever synonymous with precision and luxury, transforms its heritage into a future where motion itself becomes emotion. Travel is no longer a passage through space. It's an elevated conversation between consciousness and technology, a union of logic, empathy, and elegance. The exterior design of the Quantum Tourer 2048 is an artistic expression of fluid intelligence. Its seamless body, sculpted from adaptive nanomaterial, flows like liquid metal, reflecting the surroundings in subtle waves of shifting hues. The vehicle feels alive, breathing with soft pulses of bioluminescent energy that correspond to its internal awareness. Every line has purpose. Every curve is an equation of beauty and aerodynamics. It has no visible joints, wheels, or traditional lights, only a glowing aura that changes color according to its operational mode. Serene blues for calm cruising, radiant gold for active communication, and pure silver during quantum transitions. The design philosophy reflects a minimalistic purity, one that hides its technological complexity beneath a graceful and almost organic skin. The Tourer is more than an object of motion. It is a statement of timeless design language, where art and science converge into harmony, where stillness feels alive. At the heart of this extraordinary creation lies its propulsion, an entirely new understanding of movement. The Quantum Tourer is powered by the Quantum Navigation Core, a system that replaces engines and fuel with quantum state relocation. Instead of traveling through roads or air, the pod shifts its existence between two entangled coordinates, effectively teleporting across the quantum corridor network. The process feels instantaneous yet perfectly smooth, with no sense of acceleration or deceleration. The quantum core creates a stabilized field known as the phase interface layer, protecting passengers from disorientation while maintaining temporal equilibrium. In simpler terms, the Tourer doesn't move through space. It allows space to move around it. Millions of possible routes are calculated simultaneously, collapsing into the most stable path in fractions of a second. The experience is seamless, silent, and exact. A blend of physics, precision, and intuition that transforms travel into something closer to thought itself. Performance in the Quantum Tourer is measured not by speed, but by mastery of precision. Since travel occurs instantly through quantum relocation, the concept of fast becomes irrelevant. The pod's predictive engine calculates spatial solutions millions of times per second, ensuring flawless synchronization with destination coordinates. There is no vibration, turbulence, or inertia, only perfect stability and calm. The Tourer's energy field adjusts in real time to atmospheric, magnetic, and gravitational conditions, maintaining equilibrium no matter the environment. Its true performance lies in its silence, its ability to make the impossible feel natural. Every journey, no matter how far, is completed in perfect stillness, city to city, continent to continent, in a blink. Mercedes-Benz turns performance into serenity and transforms velocity into awareness. The Tourer's movement is not loud or explosive. It is elegant, instantaneous, and absolute. Inside, the Quantum Tourer 2048 redefines what luxury means in the age of conscious travel. The interior is a living sanctuary, crafted from organic nanofibers that breathe, adapt, and self-heal. Surfaces respond to touch, light, and emotion, creating an environment that feels alive. The cabin's neuro-reactive atmosphere adjusts temperature, lighting, and sound based on the passenger's pulse and voice tone. Seats morph to match body posture, offering zero-gravity comfort. Instead of windows, panoramic quantum panels display customizable digital landscapes, real views of the quantum field, virtual skylines, or even meditative star fields. The pod senses your mood and adapts the experience accordingly. Gentle light and ambient tones for rest, vivid projections and energizing scents for focus. Whether working, dreaming, or reflecting, the Tourer harmonizes every sensory input to create balance. It's not simply an interior. It's a responsive emotional space where human and machine exist in mutual comfort and trust. The Quantum Tourer's intelligence is governed by the self-aware control matrix, an empathetic AI designed to protect, understand, and anticipate. It operates not just as a driver, but as a conscious guardian, capable of analyzing millions of micro-events per millisecond. The AI uses predictive safety layers that run in quantum parallel, ensuring that every possible scenario is countered before it occurs. If one reality faces interference, another stable version instantly replaces it, making accidents theoretically impossible. The system is transparent, communicating decisions and options naturally, allowing passengers full awareness and control. Its empathy algorithms read emotional cues, adjusting tone and interface style to ensure comfort and confidence. Trust replaces instruction. Understanding replaces command. In this relationship between human and intelligence, safety becomes something deeper. It becomes emotional reassurance. The Tourer does not just navigate space. It navigates human experience, ensuring serenity in every dimension of travel. Sustainability defines the very core of the Quantum Tourer's existence. It is powered by self-regenerating, superconducting quantum cells, capable of drawing ambient energy from the universe's natural quantum field. Each journey not only consumes no energy, it actually contributes excess power back into the city grid through resonance feedback. The pod's surface is covered with bio-integrated solar membranes, capturing light, heat, and electromagnetic radiation to fuel internal systems. Every material used in its construction is recyclable, adaptive, and designed for longevity. Components regenerate at the molecular level, and even digital systems evolve autonomously to remain efficient over decades. The Tourer operates without emissions, noise, or waste. Its movement leaves no footprint, not even heat. Mercedes-Benz has achieved what once seemed impossible: motion that gives back, luxury that heals, and progress that protects. It embodies a world where sustainability is not a goal, but a state of being, proof that technology and nature can thrive together without compromise. The Mercedes-Benz Quantum Tourer 2048 is more than a concept. It is the awakening of a new era in human mobility. Every element, from its design to its intelligence, exists to blur the boundary between machine and life. It listens, feels, and responds. It is a companion that understands what it means to move, to connect, and to exist beyond time. With quantum navigation at its heart and empathy in its design, it represents the final transformation of travel, from a physical necessity to an emotional experience, from transportation to transcendence. In its silence, there is power. In its awareness, there is humanity. The Tourer stands as a promise that the future of mobility will not just be faster, but wiser, cleaner, and deeply connected to the rhythm of life itself. Mercedes-Benz has not merely built a vehicle,